Hello everybody and welcome to Pix Must Tuts. Today I'm going to show you how to install Google Chrome. Chances are you have a new computer and you want to install Google Chrome. You use it maybe at work or you used it on your previous device. It may have saved your previous passwords, so you'd like to access them now. Let's get into it. You're going to want to open up Edge, which is a typical default browser for any Windows installation. Once you have that open, you're going to want to type in Google Chrome. And as you can see at the very top here, it says Google Chrome, download Chrome today. Click on that. And you'll want to hit the download Chrome button. Once it's finished downloading, click on the open file and click yes. Now Google will install. The install may take a minute. Then the program will automatically launch. From here, to set it up, you will want to sign in to your Google account if it's the first time that you've opened Google. This allows you to access any saved passwords and settings from your previous machine. You also want to turn on sync, which will change any updates that you have between different systems. It's as simple as that, easy peasy lemon squeezy. I appreciate you guys being here with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.